Very warm greeting. I'm Dr. Robert H. Sorge, Doctor of Naturopathic Medicine since 1964. Prior to 1964, I was basically in the 30s, and 40s, a patient of one of the top naturopathic doctors in the entire world, Dr. Bernard McFadden. And then, of course, a student in the 50s and early 60s, and in 1964 began a practice which has continued to this very moment. The question that a lot of people ask is, well, how did you get into this? I got into this because the orthodox, mainstream orthodox drug medicine practice almost killed me with the overuse of medications. And if it weren't for friends of the family who took me to a naturopathic doctor and changed the environment of my body, the probability would be that I wouldn't be speaking to you here today. Because what the doctor said is we did everything that medical science could do. And you know what that means when they did everything that medical science can do. So through the naturopathic process is basically what I have been brought up with. There is a lot of people come into this particular field. Some come in through the fact that they're medical doctors, and they realize, as we're seeing more and more of today, they're realizing that they are doing harm to people with orthodox medicine. In fact, orthodox medicine is now the third biggest killer in the United States of America, which, of course, you're not going to see this in any of the local newspapers, but it's what the fact is. The number one killer is heart disease, number two is cancer, number three is seeing your orthodox medical doctor, taking his prescription, and following that prescription exactly to the T. We have a dilemma in this country now, and people, at least intelligent people, are looking for the alternative. I believe that naturopathic medicine is that alternative. When the doctors said they did everything that medical science can do, I had to seek an alternative at the time. 10 years after the doctors gave that prognosis, I won the first place contest in the Mr. North America contest, all within a period of 10 years, from the deathbed to being among the strongest, most powerful, healthiest athletes in the entire world. So this is not something that we do as so much, how did I get into this? I got into this because this is what my life is, this is what my life's work is, and the extension to what I do and what I am is the practice of naturopathic medicine. And over the years, we have seen over 50,000 patients in this office. We're at this particular building here in Asbury Park, New Jersey, block in from the ocean. We've been here since late 1984. We run a day-to-day clinic called the Abundalife Boot Camp, also the Abundalife Medical Nutrition Testing Clinic, where we test people nutritionally, metabolically, hormonally, and then based on their individual blood chemistry, what we're able to do is we're able to make definitive recommendations based on their test results. This is an in-depth evaluation of their nutritional needs, their metabolic needs, and also their hormonal needs. So